Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set up your project for video editing in the Adobe Photoshop mobile app. But first, I wanna say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into that. So as you can see, I'm on the main page here in the Adobe Photoshop app. This is an app for photo or as you can see, video editing. So if you want to set up your project for frames from a video to edit, here you have this, on the top here you have this orange button called video. You have to click on that. And here you have some videos in your camera roll. I don't know, let's just say this. I don't know what this is. This is a random thing. You have to click on that, select it, and here you can customize it as you would like for your video. So this is the video project style. Okay guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.